So we are in Jonesboro, Arkansas, and we're at Hijinx Bowling Center, and I am joined right now by Lonnie, who's the head mechanic of this place. He keeps all of this running smooth so that when we come to town and when you guys come to bowl here, you know, you can bowl and have fun and not worry about anything. And Lonnie, I've been doing this now for 10 seasons, but I've never been behind the scenes.
Okay, this is lane 1, as explains over here on our sheets. This one was built in August of 1960, the same year and month that I was born.
1960, this was built?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Most of the others are 1972s.
2 sets of pins?
20 to 21 pins in the machine.
It goes up and around here and goes up the
Onto
conveyor
the conveyor
belt into the turret.
And then you'll see from the side right here, up at the top.
Oh, okay.
Falls down onto a spoon. And every time it indexes, goes one spot, and the center chute in the middle there is for the 5. The 5 falls in that one, goes up your triangle. Okay. And then once it gets full, dumps into the floor, and you're ready to bowl.
Well, it seems that there are so many tiny little moving parts. Like, look at all of this in here.
We'd say 2,000.
Okay. Wow. So do you go through and have to do maintenance on these weekly,
every
oil
day.
them?
Every day you clean them. Every day you clean them, wipe them down, dust off. That way you can grease the pivot points. And once you get down to the middle, when you're sharing 2 lanes, the odd lane has a real long street, or a track I mean. The even lane has a short track.
That's really fast! Right there.
If the ball goes through, trips that, keep your hands away. That's just by the ball, nothing went through. And that's where kids run down the lanes, you have to turn them off, because if they hit that and they get close, Ray can catch them and throw them in the machine and they can be cut.
Wait, did you say when kids run down the lanes?
Yeah.
Because that happens?
Yes. Okay, you ready to do your first call?
My first call.
Yeah. There, good.
Okay.
Hey, sign her up.
Holy moly! This is really neat from up here. I had no idea that there was so much that went into it.
When we have more than one person on the machine, you always yell clear, and that person yells clear back to make sure that they're out of the way before you fire up the pinsetter. That way their hands aren't in a position where they can get hurt.
Okay, before I yell clear, tell me where I can set my hand so that I don't get it chopped off.
Right now?
Yes. Nowhere?
Nowhere.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Clear.
Clear.
Okay, now you're standing in the middle, so that's why you have to watch for it. What?
What? I was like, oh no, don't sit in.
180, lane 1. 180, lane 1.
Why you? Now
Stand
you
right here?
Step right here.
Okay.
Put your left hand right there. Right hand is take the pin, push it into the...
Just, can I pick it up or just push it?
Push it. You did it.
Respot 5, lane 1.
Oh, that's me.
Respot 5, lane 1.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay, here you go. Now let's pick up the pin, put it in that chute.
Pick up the pin first.
Yep.
Put it in the chute.
Now it's into 5.
5 is ready to go. That one, push that forward.
Push
This
it
one
forward.
right here.
Yep, go. There you go.
What? Woo! Now everything is
you,
working.
now you take the silver thing and push it forward.
Okay.
Push, hard. There you go. Now you're involved too. Now you're ready to go.
When you hear things on this, you instinctively go, oh, that
You can
is
hear
this
balls.
belt.
You can hear balls tumbling down here, not getting up the lift. You can hear little things like that little squeak and that bearing going bad on the pulley. Yeah.
This could be so dangerous.
Yep.
That's why you have to know all the parts. You have to know the sequence of the machine. It's so important.
Our thing is TPO. Turn power off.
TPO.
Game of bowling is $4, right? Is that worth your life? Keep going.
I am. Like that? Ta-da! How'd I do? Okay, you guys do an excellent job, and
Sure.
I am so thankful for you taking the time today and walking me through all this. It was so insightful, and you should be proud of the work that you do. This is
I'm
really
just proud of my guys.
Yeah,
But you know, if they're doing the job, I don't have to work so many hours.
this is true. It's teamwork.
Yep.
Teamwork. Thank you so much, Lonnie.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Clear.
Clear.
There you go.